Hello, welcome to section 4 of this course. And there's supposed to be 4 videos in this session, but we're going to summarize them into one. And we're going to have a total of 2 videos instead of 5 or 4 videos in this session. So this is ArcCatlog, and ArcCatlog, what it does is that it helps you organize, manage your data. That's basically what it does. So first thing first, in ArcCatlog, before you'll be able to, in ArcGIS in general, before you're able to do anything, we have what we call folder connection. So you must connect a folder which will help you do your work. So in my case, I have a work folder in my local disk C. So this is called a work folder. It's 113 gig. So in this work folder, I have all the various projects that I'm working on. So these are all of them. So anything I need, I will just come to this C drive and make another folder inside the work. So at the end of the day, I will just connect. So you can see that I have it connected. So let me disconnect this. Someone added this to me. So normally these are my folders only that I use. This work is on one drive and this other one is on another drive. Let's disconnect this. So we have only one. So we'll also disconnect this. So now basically we don't have anything to go on by. So what we do is we either come down to this under this catalog tree. This is called catalog tree. So we click on this folder connection, or we right click on it and connect folder, or we click on this folder and the plus sign on top. So we'll click on it and go to this PC, and we'll come down to drive C, and then we have work. So we'll click on OK. So that will be connected. So now that it's connected, we can be able to manage, view, and make some little things on the catalog. We said the catalog helps you to manage, organize your data, right? So under the content tab, we will see all of what is in that folder. And then seeing them, we have few things here. We have the large icon, which if you click, you will see that they are splitted out across like this. Then we have the list, which was what we met when we came in here. Then we have the details. So it's, what are the details saying? It is folder, and all that name is this, and then the type is folder, and this is geodatabase, and this is a raster dataset and all that. So when we click on thumbnails, it's going to tell us, show us their thumbnails and all that. So these are things you can also explore. Then we also have the preview tab. So if I click on this very one, it should be able to, if it's data that is understandable, it should be able to preview it. Let me click on this and go to preview. It's saying it does not, cannot be previewed because the kind of data inside maybe is not that. So let's come back here. Okay, when we are in preview now, we have this view geodatabase. So let's go to preview and see. It cannot preview what's inside. So still it cannot preview what's inside. It's still, because there's absolutely nothing inside. That's why it can. But if there's anything inside, it should be able to preview it. Now let's take, for instance, let's come here and click on this road. So you see it's previewing the road, the adjoining boundary. It's showing the banks. It's showing the various facility with it. The state, showing us the forest reserves, hospital, international boundary, the local government one local government boundary in Taraba State. So you can see that it's showing us all of those things, and that is helping us to be able to look at all of those things. So basically you can preview most of the things when you click on them, and mostly what you'll be able to preview that will show you details are mostly a futures class or future dataset or a shapefile. All right, so here you can also customize. You have extensions, and you check out all of these extensions. So once you're done checking, you close. And under Windows, you have the catalog tree in case you cannot see this catalog tree. You also have the search button, and you also have the geoprocessing tools, just like we do on ArcMap. You can also do some geoprocessing tools here, tags here. You can buffer, you can clip, you can intersect, and all that. So from here, you also have the Arc toolbox. We also have Python tab, and we also have search. We also have catalog tree, all displayed. There we have the model builder. This is also another aspect of it. And then we have the ArcMap. From here you can go to ArcMap. Okay, you can go to ArcMap, and yes, so then these are basically what we use ArcCatlog for. It helps us manage, it helps us do all the things that we can easily not do in ArcMap. Okay, so let's go back to preview tab and do something. This hospital, you can also, once you change this from geography to a globe view, you'll be able to see some of these things. So if you change to globe view, you'll see that. If you change to 3D view, if you change to table, you'll be able to see what is contained on there. This you can't do it on ArcMap because you have to right click and go to properties and attribute table before you'll be able to see this. So this will give you the name of the hospital and its location. We have the Courage Hospital in Jalingo, Specialist Hospital in Jalingo, General Hospital Okari, General Hospital Takum, and all that. Foba Health Clinic. So all of this, you'll see them when you change to table. If we change back to geography, it will show the point, which is the XY of that very point, and space and time. All right, so these are available in Taraba space. So if you put Gombe now, you won't see them. So that's what you can also do with the ArcCatlog. You can also identify, just like you can do on ArcGIS. If I click on this point now, it should tell me what the point is. It's a PHCC Geromano. This is where it is in the name. So you can identify as well. You can zoom to full extent. You can zoom in and zoom out. But also they don't have the fixed zoom in and the fixed zoom out here. And then also if you right click at any point here, you'll be able to see the tools that are available in ArcCatlog. So these are the only tools that are available: the geography, the globe view. So you see it's going to bring out the tab of the globe view, and then I think the ArcGIS server and the 3D view tools. So these are the only tools available. So once it has opened like that, and that is it. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore a few more options, both in the ArcCatlog and in the catalog tree in ArcMap. So stay tuned.